First we add a URL, then we go for book. Okay, we added a single file, then we'll add a folder, then I'll come back to book folder. So in tutorials, first you had introduction, but now you want to give unit 2. Okay, you want to supply or you want to upload materials for unit 2. It may having plenty of files. You can give creating and managing users and courses. Okay, so two ways you can do. First, you create the folder, then you drag or drop the content, or while creating itself, you can drag and drop the files. First, I'll just create a folder. The folder name is Unit 2. Okay. Unit 2, a folder has been created. Again, under this, if you want to edit, you can edit. Add an activity or resource. This is the first option. Creating a user. Or you can give like this. Chapter 1 description, user creation. You can add files from here, choose file. Just I'm giving a Word file. For uploading, you can upload any type of document. Upload this file. If you want to create files again, okay, since you have created folder, you can upload more than one file. Save and return to course. I will delete this. I will do again. Sorry, it has been created separately. Okay. Here you have to do that. Just listen. Tutorials. Here, go to edit, then edit settings. Then you come down. You drag the files here. Choose file. Word file I have added. Upload this file. Then again you choose file. PPT I have added. Upload this file. You can add any type of file. Choose file. Some pictures or anything else. Sample pictures. Okay, so now we add 3 type of documents here. Display folder contents. If you want to display the folder contents on a separate page, inline on your course page. You choose any type of thing. Okay, on a separate page, if you want to show the content, after clicking the folder, you choose this. Instead, if you want to show the course page inline on your course page, you choose this. Okay. Save and return course. Okay, just check it out. You need to, if you choose, you need to, it will be shown in the separate page. If you have chosen that inline, the option has been shown in that. I will show that one also. Edit setting again. So just I repeat. So this is the option. While clicking Unit 2 folder, the content has been shown in the separate page. If you want to download, you can download. Okay, if you want to download a single file, you download, or if you want to download the whole folder, you can download the folder. If you want to view only a document, if you click, the students are able to view the document. And go to edit settings. I'll change this option, settings option. Instead of on a separate page, inline on a course page. Okay, see the difference. Okay. Save and return to course. So you see that here itself you are able to see the same thing. Okay, so you view the option in whatever format you want to show your content. Either you can download the whole folder or you can download a separate document PPT, JPG separately. Okay, so in again here, again I want to add another activity. Now we are able to add a single file of any type, Word, PPT or PDF, and you are able to create a folder, under which folder you are able to add any number of document. Next, if you want to add want to add content, want to mention the URL, while clicking the URL with the net, the students are able to view the content mentioned in the URL. You are giving just a reference. Okay. For in the resources, you choose URL, click add. Okay. For example, giving introduction to Java. Either you choose link, it will now the URL path you copy and you URL page, giving a you can the picture of the content and do. Okay, so here I am sharing the tutorial home. Can give in the description. Tutorial. You want to show the description on. If you want to do appearance, likewise you can do like automatic with the height. Okay, Ember, you can use the same pop-up. Save and return to course. You see the difference how here on the left side you can see if you're uploading a file resource, it will show the type of that file. If you're uploading the folder, it will show the folder symbol icon and the URL. Okay, so the difference is if I just clicking the link, it will be redirected to the description. Click redirect from the home page, you can go to anywhere. The students are able to access the web references. Again, you see that this tab has been opened in the access from the web was redirected to the play. Okay. Just a minute. Just a minute. Do you want to repeat external link or faculties? Do you want me to repeat the steps for mapping external URLs? Okay, I'll repeat the steps. So already in the course, this is the category we have created FDP. Then Moodle Learning Introduction, this is the course we have created. Click it. Come here. So under this, in the title tutorials, I'm going to add tutorials. I will delete it. I will redo it. I will delete it. Go to edit. So whatever you want to edit, first you have to check this turn editing is on. Okay. If you don't get this editing and add activity option, please check on the right top corner. The set turn editing is on. Okay. Otherwise you don't get those editing options. Come down. Delete. Okay. Delete. The link has been deleted. Activity resource has been deleted. Add an activity or resource. Go to resources. Choose URL. Add. Give some name to the external mapping. What is the content you are adding? The related name can be given. So here I am referring the URL for Java. So I'm giving introduction to Java.
You have to install this one, and you can just browse through that and access all the modules.
I think computer laptop is much better than this one, no?
It's the same.
Same. But this one's so slow.
It's not so, it's okay, it's fine. The only thing is that I don't know, Windows 10 makes everything seem slow.
But that is, if we don't have Windows 10, then they will deactivate us, no? They said.
Choose from here.
I'm using Windows 7.
Windows 7 is much
We have to
better.
upgrade, they said.
Faculties, please mute your audio.
Just,
Please mute your audio.
So you concentrate on
If you
that.
want, you can.
She will give a nice training this week. At least for her, I'm sure.
Sister Agnes?
She a nun? She's not a nun, right? Yeah.
Even not a nun, also we call respectfully sister, huh? In the hospital, in the shop. Oh, just this morning, I remember the father was saying so many times, Negro, Negro, Negro.
Cool.
The African people will be very upset. Yeah.
Yeah, tutorials,
Yeah.
tutorials point
Only we refer to them as black.
and save and return to course. You'll get the link.
But how we can
I'm saying, majority of people are quite ignorant of this, and even educated people who's been traveling, and they're still ignorant.
I am without distress from
I'm good.
Yes, we are.
I'm hearing so many voices here. Please mute.
No.
Okay. If you click introduction to Java, you will get this link. Again, if you click this link, you have referred that, you will get the material. Okay, you will be redirected to the page, web page. See here.
No, wait. Windows update.
Do you want me to repeat the steps again for adding the URL? Okay. Okay, then we shall proceed now. So now we are able to add different types of documents in the courses. Even it can be done in any topic. It can be a tutorial or here lab manual. Add an activity. You want to add a lab manual here. File. can give web technology practicals, lab manual, and give web technology lab manual. It can be exercise. These are just for identification. This is the name you are giving. Those topics are also for segregation. Okay, instead of adding all the materials under a single title, you can add different titles, unit 1, unit 2, or tutorials, exercises, likewise assignment questions, likewise. You can upload the questions and you can upload the materials. You can drag the files here, choose file, upload the same. You can upload some things, some Excel or something else, upload this file. Okay, this can be uploaded. If you want, if you do this, if you there is no restriction. If you want to add restriction, you can restrict. Okay, appearance, common model settings, show course page, hide from students. If you want to hide this particular thing, you can hide. If you want to restrict, you can restrict. Activity completion. If you want to set completion date, you can set here. Okay, tax. So tax can be set by manager, that is admin. Competencies, no selection. Okay, save and return to course. So you can see under different titles, you have uploaded materials. Okay. Now, again, I'm come back exercises. If I want to assign assignments, activities. So far, we have uploaded materials using resources. Now we are going to conduct activity. For that also, click the same, add an activity. In the activity list, you may find number of activities, assignments. This is a video conference. Now we are proceeding with that. Chat, choice, database, external tool, feedback, forum, glossary, lesson, quiz. Okay, survey, wiki, workshop, like that. So first thing, we're going to add an activity assignment. So this is, you are enabling a link. Using that link, your students are asked to submit their preparation. The preparation may be of any type. It may be a Word document or a PPT or an image file or an audio file, whatever it is. Either you can allow them to submit any type of document or you can restrict them. They have to submit only a Word document or they have to send any image. Okay, so for that you choose assignment, add. Okay, one important feature in Moodle is here itself you can view the submitted assignments. You can find the number of assignments submitted. You can find and you can see the time and date of submission. You can see the users, the students who were submitted after the due date. You can restrict the students not to submit, not to accept the assignments after the due date. You can also give gradings in the link itself. Assignment name, giving assignment 1. Okay. Assignment in 1 is about creating and managing users. So additional files. If you want to add questions, you want to post assignment questions, you have listed, created, you can post here. Assignment questions, you can post here. If you don't want, you leave it. Okay. Then allow submissions. Submissions. I'm allowing them from 4th June due date. If it is disabled, you are unable to set. So initially it will be like that. If you want to set due dates and starting date and ending date of your submission, enable these two options. Even you can give cutoff date from 4 until 10 June. Okay, so you are allowing your users to submit their assignment from tomorrow morning till to 10th morning, or you can set up to 10th night, 11 o'clock. Okay, 10 June, 11 up to. So you can also set it when to remind me to create the assignments. I'm setting 11th June at 9 o'clock or 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock, system has to remind me. Okay, submission types. Online text or file submission. Here we are allowing file submissions. Word limit. If you want to enable, if you are allowing document, if you want restrict only 200 words. Okay. Online text. Online text you can restrict the word limit only 200 words or 500 words. Okay, or 300 words. File submission. If it is file submission, you are allowing maximum number of uploaded files. How many files you are allowing the user to submit? Only 4 files. So the users are able to submit 4 files, each of any type. Okay, maximum number of uploaded files. Then size. The maximum limit here is 64 MB. Maximum limit is 60. You can restrict. Only it should be 5 MB. Okay, but the maximum limit allowed for file submission in Moodle for a user for a submission is 64 MB. Even you can reduce the size 10 MB, 12 MB. The students are not able to upload the file with more than 10 MB size. Okay, but usually we'll set to the default accepted file size. If you don't set this option, the students are allowed to upload any type of documents, maybe a Word document or PPT or a JPG. If you are restricting the file types, you can restrict. Okay, so whether your archive files or document files, only the students have to send documents. Okay, or only the audio files, image files. You are asked them to submit only image files or video files. Okay, likewise, you can restrict. Okay, if you left free, you are allowing the students to submit any type of file. If you are restricting them to choose only documents, you can choose only document files. Even here you can restrict PDF, OTF, docs. Others are not allowed. Save changes. Okay, so it will instruct the students only to submit this type of documents. If they try to submit their assignment in any other format, it doesn't accept. Okay, so in assignment activity, first thing, add an activity. After clicking, you will get this general instruction, assignment name, description. You can give any description. Then we have to set submission start time, end time and date, cutoff date if needed, otherwise remind me to grade date. This is for the reminder purpose only. Then submission type. If it is online text, you can also give word limit, maximum number of upload files, maximum submission size, accepted files. All these are optional, whether you can use or not. Then grade. Grade point you can give maximum or you can restrict points. Either you can go for scale or point. Okay, you can give 100 or 10, anything else. It will be shown. If you have any other submission settings, if you want, you can give. Students, click submit button. Sure. accept the submission statement, you can set. If you want to give notification, notify graders about their submission. If you set yes, they will be informed. They will be getting notification. If you set no, about the late submission, notify students, default settings. Okay. You can use any of the options. So again, grading, maximum grade under. You can choose simple direct method or marking guide or rubric. Default is normally we are using simple direct grading. Category, no category. Grade to pass, you can even set under this. If you can set 40 or 50. Blind marking, use marking workflow. Okay. Then save and return to course. Okay. So when the student come and choose this, okay, if you click this, so far 9 participants not submitted because for this course we have enrolled only 9 users. We have only enrolled 9 users, so it is showing only 9 participants. But if I enrolled all the users, it will show 40 users. Okay, so time remaining will show. When students start submitting, you are able to view all the view all submissions. See, if you click that, you can find the first name, email address. Nobody submitted just now because we are creating. So if you are submitted, your submission file submission will be shown here. You can see the file. While clicking grade, you can also create the value. You can send feedback. You can give grade marks. You can give feedback. Okay, save changes. Okay, and because I didn't record that. Okay. Then again, come back to assignment. If all submitted, there is a possibility for downloading all the submissions also. View all submissions. If you want to download all the submissions, you can view gradebook. If you want to download all the only after submission, I will give the grade assignment on course total. You are able to view the grades also. Grade history, outcomes report, score report. You can't see here because nobody submitted, so you are unable to see the changes here. Otherwise, you'll be getting reports and graphs. Okay, Manasa. Okay, we will see the remaining tomorrow session.